how to change text color in Google Slides. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can change text color in Google Slides. So for you to change your text color in Google Slides is very simple. So let's go. All right, the first step is to select the presentation whose text color you would like to change. So after selecting the presentation, I am brought to the presentation page. The next step would be for you to select the text that you'd like to change its color. So for me, I'll be selecting this particular text box, and so I'm just going to highlight the text straight away. So after highlighting the text, go to the top part of the screen, all right, where you can see some icons such as feed, such as print, such as select text box. Okay, you can see insert image, line, color, field color, and then click on that. Then after clicking on it, the next step would be for you to select the color that you want to change to. Okay, so this is not what we're looking for. Let's undo. Yeah. So since the fill color option did not work, the right thing to do after highlighting the text is to go to the top part of the screen and then click on the format tab. The format tab is found in between insert and slide. So click on format, and then in the box displayed you'll see options like text, align and indent, line and paragraph spacing, for the bullet and numbering. So click on text. Okay, after clicking on text, the options displayed, scroll down and click on color. Then by the right side, another box will be displayed. So go ahead and select the color that you'd like to change it to. For me, I'll be selecting black. All right, and as you can see, the text color has changed to black. That is that easy. So you can do this for others as well. Just the highlight the text, and so after highlighting the text, go to the top part of the screen, click on the format tab, click on text, scroll down, select color, go ahead and select the color that you would like to change it to, and you're good to go. That is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.